Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power at the source and isolating the brick so you can test safely. First, verify the wall outlet with a lamp or phone charger so you know the socket is live. Then unplug the brick from both the wall and the console and do a quick visual check for melted plastic, frayed cords, or a burnt smell. Finally, look at the brick LED and note if it's green, orange, blinking, or completely off. This tells you the likely fault path. Once done with the visual stage, measure voltages to separate cable faults from internal supply failures. Set your multimeter and probe the brick's DC connector to verify the 12V and 5V rails plus the standby 5 VSB. Correct voltages indicate the cable is fine. While probing, wiggle the cable and connector to reveal intermittent wiring breaks. If you can, swap in a known good Xbox 360 brick or try a different outlet to confirm the problem lives in the brick itself, rather than the console or mains. To finish, act on what your tests showed. Abnormal voltages or no standby 5 VSB mean you should replace the brick. Do not attempt complex internal repairs unless skilled. Make sure all connections are tight, let an overheated brick cool for 30 minutes, then plug wall first, then the brick to the console and power on. If the console still won't power, check console fuses or look up the brick's LED blink code. That code often points to whether the issue is the brick or the console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.